a problem from complex number, and the problem is if x plus 1 by x, this is equal to 2 cos pi by 7, then the value of x to the power 7 plus 1 by x to the power 7 is given by 4 option. Okay, we have to find out the correct option. For this type of problem, we may write directly x, this is equal to cos pi by 7 plus I sin pi by 7, or we may write this is minus. Okay, plus and minus both give the same result. How to find this x? If we make a quadratic equation like x square plus 1, this is equal to 2x cos pi by 7, and x square minus 2x cos pi by 7 plus 1, this is equal to 0, and using Sidoracharya's formula we get the value of x from here. This is a complex number which is this. Okay, and now using De Moivre's theorem we get x to the power 7, this is equal to cos pi by 7 into 7 plus I sin pi by 7 into 7. So we get this is cos pi plus I sin pi. So this is minus 1. Okay, and similarly we get 1 by x to the power 7. This is cos pi minus I sin pi. Okay, so this is also minus 1, and we get x to the power 7 plus 1 by x to the power 7. This is minus 1 minus 1, so this is minus 2, and our correct option is option number A. Okay, this is very, very important but very simple problem of complex number. Right? Thank you for watching.